everyone, welcome back into the channel. Listen, today I help you to like command. Okay, like command. Listen one, like command. Now you open AutoCAD. You look this interface AutoCAD version 2018. Okay. Now how to activate like command in AutoCAD. Um, the first way you can click homes and then you click like icons here, icons like you click here to activate like command. Okay, click here, activate like command. Okay. The second way is you can your shortcut command. You type lines L is the shortcut for like command. Shortcut command. Okay, L. Now we practice this command. L, enter. Specify first bond. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. Here. Okay. Now against line. Okay. Your inputs values. Inputs value is symbol 1000. Enter. 1000. 15. 500. 500. Enter. Okay. 600. Enter. Very easy. Very easy. Here. Okay, so we practice again every day. Okay, click here, enter, click here, click, 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 click. Very easy. Okay, you now enter here. Yeah, okay, very easy. Okay, next video tutorial I help you your copy command. Okay, copy command. So this video tutorial today is the end. If you feel this video tutorial is helpful, you can click subscribe to receive new video. Okay, thank you.